Then let us see there the general characteristics of the halides. The halides of the alkali metals are having general formula Mx. The halides of lithium are somehow covalent. We have already discussed, because what happens is lithium being the smallest in size is having a very high polarizing power. Whereas that is why as soon as the atomic number or the atomic size of the halogens increases, the polarizability also increases, and that is why we find lithium iodide to be covalent in nature. The rest of the metal halides or alkali halides are ionic in nature, where this M can be sodium, potassium, rubidium or cesium. Now what you need to remember is that the enthalpies of formation of the fluorides always decreases down the group of in the alkali metals. Why? Because the compatibility goes on becoming lesser and lesser, and that is why what we find is the most stable is lithium fluoride and least stable is your cesium fluoride. The lithium fluoride is found to be what? Insoluble in water, the reason being because of its very high the lattice enthalpies. Then the enthalpies of formation of chlorides, bromides and iodides of the alkali metals always increases down the group because the compatibility of the ionic sizes is much more. Now we have cesium iodide in the last list in this, which is actually insoluble because of the very low hydration enthalpies of these respective ions, because they are very large in size. That is how we have the nature of the halides.